Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the TV weight and VESA pattern so the bracket fits and holds safely. Use a stud detector to find solid anchors, then mark the center line and 0. 5-inch offsets for level placement. Measure viewing height based on seating. Eye level to screen center reduces neck strain. Once done, transfer VESA hole positions to the wall and check they align with studs. Make sure to have a helper and the right hardware before drilling to avoid rework. You drill pilot holes at your marked points and insert lag bolts into studs. For drywall without studs, swap to rated hollow wall anchors. Attach the wall plate while one person holds it level. Tighten bolts to the manufacturer torque so the plate won't shift. Next, mount the adapter arms to the TV and plan cable routing. Decide between in-wall concealment or neat surface raceways. Once the plate is secure and cables are planned, hang the TV temporarily. To verify fit and clearances, you lift and hook the TV onto the mounted bracket with a helper while engaging all safety locks so it can't slip. Tighten tilt and rotation adjustments to your desired angle, then connect power, HDMI, antenna, and network cables and run a full functionality test of picture, audio, and streaming. If the TV sits crooked, loosen the mounting bolts just enough to level, then red-iron. If bolts pull out, inspect studs and switch to stronger anchors. Make sure everything is locked before you step back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.